Okay, so this is going to be the 2018 year review video. This is something that I've been wanting to do for quite a while, and it's going to be quite an important video because I'm sure to some of you who follow a lot of my videos, you know that I really focus on uploading a lot of educational content about trading, investing, and wealth management. But what a lot of you don't know is that I run 4 companies. Not only does this mean that I am always constantly busy every single week with new projects, developing new products and services for my clients and students based all over the world, but it also means that at the end of the year, I have quite a lot to reflect on and to plan going forwards for the next year. And because I try my best to be as transparent and pragmatic as I can possibly be, what I'm going to be doing with you is sharing with you a lot of what happened in the 2018 year for the MS Equities Group, as well as what we're going to be doing going forward in the next year. There are going to be 2 very important things you can probably take home from this video. Number 1 is going to be, most importantly, you'll be able to have a look at what we were doing the whole year to gain inspiration for you to reflect on what you did in your 2018 year. How did you perform? How did you do as a trader, investor, even if you're a new student, to all of this information that we talk about? And then the most important part as well is, what are you going to be doing for the 2019 year going forward? By being able to watch this video, you're going to be able to learn a bit more about how I reflect and how I look forward, and hopefully that can help you out as well. And I think number 2 is going to be that to every single person, to the viewer of this video, to my subscribers, to my students, my clients, my team members, and my partners, to everyone who watches this video, it'll be able to show you that going into 2019, there is going to be something ready for every single person that is part of this company. So every single person that engages with us, I see them as a contribution to the step that we take forward, or sometimes to the step we take backward. But for 2019, after everything we've prepared for, after everything I'm going to be talking to you about, there are going to be some very revolutionizing and incredible things we're going to be doing for the year going forward. And those are some of the things I wanted to share with you as well in this 2018 bit of a rewind video. So just to quickly pause the topic of this video, I do know that there are videos that I have taken a little bit of time to do in December. December has been a bit of a festive season for me. I've been out and about in the sun. I've been celebrating a lot with the family and with friends. So for 3 of the videos that I have promised to my subscribers that I'll be doing, we are going to be doing an oil trading idea video part 2. We are going to be doing the Forex Secrets part 2 video, as well as a video talking about what it takes to be a professional trader and what that word really means. Those videos are going to be coming out very soon. But back to this video. What I was going to do is reflect on a few quick things, talking to you about the most important aspects of what we have done in 2018 and how it's going to impact every single person watching this video going forward. The most important part is having a look at how we started all, how the engine of everything runs. Now, to myself, a lot of what I focus on is how I want to grow and develop my company, or my companies, because I have multiple of them. A very important part is how you attract your clients. Business is a contact sport, who you are in contact with, and being able to use a platform like YouTube has been incredible for us. YouTube has been able to allow us to deploy our products and services to over 28 countries around the world. And it's been very incredible to be able to teach people about things like trading and investing in the financial markets. I think a big problem that our industry has is that the deployment methods of these products, this education, what is so important to every single new trader out there that's trying to learn and develop, is that a lot of these companies are deploying certain methods that are difficult to access. Being able to use YouTube means almost every single person can access these platforms. And to us, over the 2018 year, we were able to fulfill some incredible goals. So as an example, we were able to grow by close to 66,000 views in just 2018 alone, ending off the year at just around about 84,000 views, meaning 2017, we ended off only on 17,000 views. In terms of growth, that's close to 3.7 times what we had ending off 2017. Going forward, we definitely think it's going to grow as much as well. With the subscribers, we grew by a massive amount, ending off last year on only 328 subscribers and ending off this year on over 1,500 subscribers. But the most important part is what we want to do going forward next year. Now, for next year, we want to try and focus on getting at least 250,000 views in 1 year alone. So adding another 3 times worth of the views we already have. On top of that, we want to try our absolute best to get at least 5,000 brand new subscribers in. And hey, maybe we'll get more, maybe we'll get less. But the most important part about being able to use the YouTube platforms is that students from around the world can make use of our educational platform completely free of charge. That is really the most important part of our business in terms of using YouTube. Not only does it bring clients in for us, but it also allows people to learn without spending any of their money, which is a very important part that a lot of companies forget about delivering to the community that they live within. Now, the next honorable mention is talking about the 4 companies that MS Equity Group manage. Now, in terms of something that I don't talk about a huge amount is the Incubate Fund. The Incubate Fund is a company that focuses on business consultancy, venture capital, strategizing with companies and finding how we can leverage our skills and resources to help improve the business operations for companies, whether it's the profitability, social media, efficiency. But this is something I don't usually advertise. For 2018, we decided not to grow our client base too much. We decided to focus on the clients we have existing already and work with them and focus on helping them grow and develop. An important part that we focused on was being able to grow our own companies. So not only do we focus externally, we focus internally as well. So there's not a huge amount of information I can share with the Incubate Fund, but what I can say is with some of the other companies in the MS Equities Group, we are focusing on growing them a massive amount to help impact our clients and our students based around the world, which is also a part that not many business owners consider, is how much they internalize and focus on helping their own company instead of helping their clients' companies on top of that. Another company we focused on this year, which was a huge amount of fun, was working with the MS Techs Group. The MS Techs Group is a company that focuses on algorithmic research, developing trading systems and automated trading products that allow myself and my team to work in the financial markets with algorithms that assist us in creating additional success with our portfolios that we manage. Not only is this a huge amount of software development work, programming work, and working with some very clever individuals in the industry, being able to speak to them about how we can develop new products, but this has been able to incredibly develop how profitable we have become and how successful the capital management group inside the MS Equities Group did perform. Now, what we're going to be doing for the 2019 year moving forward is that we are actually going to be having a look at open sourcing an algorithm that we built ourselves. Now, what this is going to allow everyone to do and allow myself to do is make use of this product, this free access product, and use it for videos that we can create to teach you a little bit more about the trading industry in terms of using algorithms, automated trading system, automated signal systems, because there is a massive black hole gap in the industry where there is very little knowledge out there that's accessible to the general folk who sit at home and trade for themselves. That is going to be a big aspect we're going to be going into next year. And to the second last, it is the MSE Academy, the training academy. How in 2018 we expanded to 28 countries around the world. We are able to rapidly develop how we deploy our training systems, our methodologies to all of our students. Now, to a lot of the students we had from all over the world, we had a very diverse group of people that came in to join us for this year. We ran scholarship programs, we ran promotional discounts, and we did some really incredible things to be able to attract people from all over the world to our academy to learn a bit more about how to trade and invest in the financial markets. Now, I'm sure a huge amount of you know, applying to that program is very simple by emailing study@msequitiestrading.com. So to anyone who wants to apply to that, we always have space available to all of you, but we are always focusing on seeing where we want to take the next year. And for 2019, we want to focus on getting to at least 35 to 40 countries around the world. We want to keep on developing and improving our content every single month and making sure we can always bring the cutting edge strategies and trading information to our students' fingertips to allow them to increase their success in the financial markets, trading, investing, and managing their wealth. But lastly is talking about the investment group. I like to call it an investment group. Legally, I call it a capital management group. It is a group where we focus on managing our own capital inside the MS Equities Group, between my own capital and the capital my partners have involved. Now, I don't have any shareholders of my company. Everything inside the MS Equities Group was started by myself, but I do have partners contributing a huge amount of capital towards my investment performance. Now, what has happened going forward is there has been a massive project running under the covers that no one has really been told about, but we are slowly but surely activating everything and getting to the point where we will soon be running a copy trading service through the MS Equities Group. Now, it's not some sort of generic copy trading service, but what it actually is going to be is somewhat of an institutionalized copy trading service that is going to be delivered to clients based all over the world. On top of that, we are going to be focusing on delivering some really incredible products, and I'll talk that through now. But the most important part of the company is talking about the 2018 year performance. Now, so a lot of people, they know that the 2018 year was a very, very rough year for capital managers. The year, depending on where you look at, for example, the Barclay Hedge Fund Index closed off around about a rough 0.8% loss for the entire year of 2018. From February to October to now December, we had 3 major sell-offs to the US indices markets, and to the global markets, depending on where you look, it was a very rough year to produce returns. But luckily for the MS Equities Group, we were able to do incredibly well. To one of our main portfolios, that is a portfolio based in US dollar, we were able to produce close to 27% return for the whole of 2018, totaling an average of 2.25% return per month. Now, that is an incredible target for us to reach. We only thought we'd hit between 18 to 20% this year, but we were able to overshoot our targets and perform much, much better than expected. On top of that, we had 2 brand new portfolios opening up, which I'll talk to you about. One portfolio opening up in South African Rand for a local portfolio in South Africa, and another portfolio opening up in London in British pound. Now, for the South African portfolio, only been open for 4 months, returned an average of 0.98%, totaling 3.9% return over that period. Now, that was really good performance for us. We would have liked it to be slightly better, but for 2019, we're really focusing on how we can produce a full 12-month track record in that portfolio alone. To the British pound portfolio, only being open for 2 months now, producing close to 1.6% return, now averaging 0.8% return per month. That portfolio as well for 2019 is going to be boosted up a huge amount. Now, to multiple portfolios, you can see these are the portfolios that I manage myself. I manage portfolios based in different currencies, and this is specifically because of something that I talked to you about, calling it the copy trading service. Now, our focus in the future over the next year to 2 years is to become a fully registered, institutionalized hedge fund management group that is able to have capital allocation from companies all over the planet and from clients all over the planet. But the thing is that in terms of compliance, regulation, and a whole lot of other very important things that we have to obey legally, we aren't able to call it anything by that nature, and that is why we call it a copy trading service. What we have been able to do is partner with a very incredible group called 4Union Account Management. We are now able to produce some very incredible products that allow clients from all over the planet to be able to allocate capital, open up their own account, and copy one of our portfolios depending on the currency that they'd prefer to copy in. Now, this product, these services are still taking a couple weeks to a month or 2 to develop. We are very, very close to launching all of these products very soon, but that is why you could see those 3 portfolios. So those are the portfolios, those are real live portfolios with quite a serious amount of money under management through all 3 of those portfolios. And we'll be releasing all of that information to all of you incredibly soon. But for 2019, those are going to be from some very special things to discuss. Now, another one that I was going to talk about as the MS Equities Group as a whole, but also as the Educational Academy, we are developing some very special partnerships with some groups based out inside South Africa that is going to run a very special pilot project going forward for 2019 that is going to be delivering education to certain groups of students. Now, I really can't talk about it too much, but within about a month or 2, you'll see some very special and new content coming up talking exactly about this. And that really is how I can sum up this video. There is so much I have been able to tell you, but there is so much that I can't tell you quite yet. To all of our partners, to everyone that has come on board in 2018, we have made incredible progress. To every single one of the students, thank you for your support. And to the subscribers, to everyone who's been able to like our videos, comment on our videos, and engage with our community, thank you for joining and thank you for staying. And to everyone else going forward, to everyone who's going to join in 2019, whether you're a subscriber, you're a student, you're a client, or even a partner or team member of our team, we look forward to working with you. We look forward to helping you out the best we can. And for 2019, we look forward to it as well. We look forward to achieving every single goal we put forward. So to anyone who's interested in getting in contact with us, all of our contact details are down below. Our website, www.msequitiestrading.com. Everything you need to know is right up there on the website. Study at msequitiestrading.com allows you to get in contact with our team if you want to actually join our educational programs and become a student of our group. But once again, this is going to be the last video of 2018 that I'll be signing off to every single one of you. It has been an incredible year being able to work with all of you, and I've been very, very grateful to be able to help others based all over the world. It's a dream that I've had for many years of my life that now every single time I upload a video, it becomes a little bit more real to me. So to end this video off, all I can say is once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next year. Cheers for now, everyone.